Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I actually just lost my voice thanks to the Tyson Fury fight and Deontay Wilder fight. Obviously you can see by my voice, my guy lost. But hey, in this video, we're actually gonna be bringing my Volkswagen Beetle back to life. It's actually been sitting for almost 2 years. So we're gonna try to drive it around and cruise with it. I'm gonna do a few clips to show it. But hey, I wanna also bring this vehicle into the content of my channel because I found out that people just love the content that I put out. So hey, this is gonna be the first video on the Volkswagen series, my plans on the Volkswagen and everything in between. So if you have any questions, make sure y'all leave a comment in the comments below and let me know if there's something that you wanna know about one of these cars that I have. So hey, in this video, you're gonna have to deal with my raspy voice, so stick with me and stay tuned. And also, my mom watches this video, so I'm definitely gonna have to make sure I edit myself when I cuss, because she's already got on me once. And I've also heard that my little sister's friends from school actually watch the channel. So hey, if you know one of my family members, make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you let me know that y'all are here, okay? So it helps me, and it helps me understand that y'all wanna see more of the content, so stay tuned. All right, guys, right here is my 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. Hey, and there's my boy Bane, per usual, eating grass. But hey, this is the car that's been in the background, that's been on my Instagram, that some people tend to ask about. So here it is. First things first, I'm gonna talk about the plans that I have for the car. The first plan that I actually have for the car is to fix the door panel that you can see right here. I had an issue with the window on the driver's side. It let water into the car when I first got the car, and it ruined that door panel. I'm actually ordering some from J-Bugs. It would be awesome if I could get some kind of sponsorship or work with J-Bugs with this car, because J-Bugs has everything this car needs. So that's first things first. Secondly, the car is eventually going to have to be repainted. As you can see, here's a rust spot here, a rust spot there, and a rust spot here. I know on the camera they look kind of bad, but in person they're not that bad. It's a safe part. Secondly, or thirdly, is the wreck that the car was in from a previous owner. As you can see right here, they actually hit I believe a pole or a stop sign with the car. They backed into it. It actually bent the fender in right here, and it created this like bone in with the car. I mean, the car drives fine, but this is definitely needing to be popped back out. So that's another issue with the car. Now here's what everybody loves about the Volkswagen engine in the back. Whew. So here is the brains behind the Volkswagen Beetle. Don't quote me, guys. I don't know that much about this Volkswagen. I'm just now getting back into it. All I did when I got the car is got it running and got it on the road, so I don't really know that much about the car. But I'm gonna say what I do know, okay? Or do I think I know? So this is actually the 1600cc Volkswagen engine. I don't know if that's what they call the 1.6 or whatever engine, but this is the one. I believe it has like 38 horsepower. Still has the original carb, which I believe may be an aftermarket. So I mean, some of y'all guys that are in the comments may be able to let me know. I know that. So this is the original generator, as you can see, or not original, but the original style generator. A lot of those guys get those big chrome ones that look all nice and neat and everything. I haven't upgraded this. This car is pretty much unscathed. I'm not touching nothing because I've actually recently been driving it. This car used to have a problem with being vapor locked, and we have fixed that over the years of owning this car. I've slowly but surely fixed all those issues. I may have to figure something out with that. That's actually sitting on my spark plug wires. But I actually had the guy that they call the Volkswagen doctor here in town. When I first got it, he helped me get it going, and the car has ran good for 5 years. But now we're having a little issues here and there. It's got a little sputter, so I think I'm gonna end up putting new spark plugs in the car and changing the oil here soon. I mean, it's about to get cold here, so it'll probably be in the next spring when I really start dropping videos on this car. But another issue that you may have noticed in the previous clip is this bumper is not the original style bumper, because they actually said that the Volkswagen bumpers could not rust. So if you got a rusty bumper on your Volkswagen, it's an aftermarket bumper, is what I've always heard. But I'm gonna end up ordering a new bumper from J-Bucks, because I believe they actually carry those. What's up, everybody? I'm coming back to y'all actually like 3 days after from the original little clip you just saw. So we're gonna continue this video about the Volkswagen, okay? So the main thing and the plans for this Volkswagen, this video was supposed to be about bringing my car back to life. I actually, before the video even started, I actually took the car on a cruise. I actually washed the car, kind of detailed it, kind of cleaned it up to make sure that it was ready to go. As you can see in the background, it's been raining, the car's underneath a car cover. So we're not really gonna get into any more with the car today, but I just wanted to put an ending onto this video to let y'all know that I'm gonna continue the video. We're gonna continue the Volkswagen content. We're gonna throw it in there as well with the diesel content. So if y'all have any ideas on the Volkswagen, or y'all saw anything that I should fix sooner than later, let me know. But one of the first things I believe that we're actually gonna be addressing is probably gonna be the tires, because the tires are extremely dry rotted. And I did notice whenever I was on the drive that I did go on, that there was like that little humming noise coming from the rear tires. So the tires probably really need to be replaced because they're about to pop. So this is gonna be just the introduction of my Volkswagen rather than bringing the Volkswagen back to life. So I've been messing up this outro for like 5 minutes now. So this is gonna be the ending no matter how good or how bad it may be. So hey, from your boy Jamarrel J, stay sane, stay one with yourself, and as always, hug someone if you can, because you never know what dilemma or obstacle they could be facing. So hey, much love, thank you for watching, and hey, your boy.